Well, I lost the video that I made of putting this thing on, so I'll show you how I did it, sort of. It's not really much to it. There's the oil filter adapter. You got your Teflon lines. They've got a stainless braid over top of the Teflon and a nylon braid over top of the stainless. I'm going to have to build a little standoff to keep them from rubbing through this thing. They go up here. They got this filter housing doohickamajig that I haven't put attached to anything yet. This will probably get like mounted right about there. That'll look pretty good. It'll also work pretty good. And that's pretty much it. Got the computer in it now. I got to figure out a way to mount it up back there. Do what I do with all this wiring. And I've got the cable for the battery and stuff. Now I got to hook the power steering up yet. I've got it routed back into the tank right now, or the reservoir right now, so it doesn't spray every which way. Sprayed the heck out of my helper the other day. They didn't like it very much. So this is the fuse box off of the old 98 van. That's going to get mounted right behind the battery. Sorry, behind. I got to plug this hole up in the fender here. And stick the battery right there, and away we go. I got to do a little bit of work on this. This here bulkhead connector, I don't need all these. I'll probably cut this off and terminate these wires in just some generic. Well, actually what I'll do is I'll take the power wires and hook them up to the power wires that go to the car systems. So it doesn't have those fuse links under the hood anymore. It actually has the pertinent fuses in the box. And we got to put a fuel system in yet. Well, just the pump and the regulator pretty much, and some sort of reservoir. And that'll do it for that. But that's it. Well, see you later.